Hello. We talk about roof leak repair. 房顶漏水修复。屋顶 top of the roof. 屋顶漏水 leak 修复 repair. You hear? My neighbor is mowing. Roof leak repair.
屋顶漏水修复。屋顶漏水修复。
These are simplified. 漏复 Okay. Roof leak repair.
屋顶漏水修复。屋顶漏水修复。
屋顶 means roof. Ú means house.
屋
顶 means top. Tip.
顶
Okay. And this is the simplified dǐng. Means peak. Summit, top. 顶
顶
Summit, top. Okay. 漏水 means leak, drip. 漏水漏 leak. Leak. 漏
漏
Okay. 水 means water. 水
水
means water. Okay. Repair 修复 Restoration 修复
修
复 Restoration 复
复
Okay, this is a simplified 复 Again, recover. Recover. Okay. Here. Roof leak repair. 屋顶漏水修复。We go to the pronunciation.
屋顶漏水修复。屋顶漏水修复。
Bible Scriptures Proverb chapter 21:16. The wanderer from the way of knowledge will have his resting place among the shades. The lover of pleasure will be a poor man. The lover of wine and oil will not get wealth. The evildoer will be given as a price for the life of the good man, and the worker of deceit in the place of the upright. It is better to be living in a wasteland than with a bitter-tongued and angry woman. There is a store of great value in the house of the wise, but it is wasted by the foolish man. He who goes after righteousness and mercy will get life, righteousness, and honor. A wise man goes up into the town of the strong ones, and overcomes its strength in which they put their faith. He who keeps watch over his mouth and his tongue keeps his soul from troubles. The man of pride, lifted up in soul, is named high-hearted. He is acting in an outburst of pride. The desire of the hater of work is death to him, for his hands will do no work. All the day the sinner goes after his desire, but the upright man gives freely, keeping nothing back. The offering of evildoers is disgusting, how much more when they give it with an evil purpose. A false witness will be cut off. The evildoer makes his face hard, but as for the upright, he gives thought to his way. Wisdom and knowledge and wise suggestions are of no use against the Lord. The horse is made ready for the day of war, but power to overcome is from the Lord.